Or I'll do something with the flange. It looks like the bolts broke off. Yeah, there's not even any bolts on it. There's 3 of them in here. Hopefully I could pull this out and fix it. It's early morning. These are rocking and rolling, Mama. She's a tight one, Mama. That's off. Mansfield. I think I've been in here before because it looks like that's been redone. This thing pumped out. And looks like it's shutting off, hopefully. We get it pumped out. Oh, wax is hard there. I'm gonna have to heat that up in a sink. The wax. A little bit on the hard side, Mama. It's not bolted down, so it should come out easy. There's no bolts holding it, so I don't know what happened. Hopefully I could just put new closet bolts. At a daycare center. So try to get done before they get here. They get here like 7. I'll get early. Try to get here before they get here. Oh yeah, the flange is rotted. I gotta get my light plugged in here. I might be able to just put new bolts on there and wax. That's my hope. I'm heating up the wax. There's some hot water here. It's been in a cold truck. That's a little secret. See if I can get that wax a little warm so it's not hard. Just hot water. Little tick tip, Mama. Looks like the bottom of my pickup truck. I got the old shit putty knife in my bottom of my truck. That's what I use that for. The old shit putty. Is that gonna come off? Hopefully I can. Hopefully I can get this thing off and just put a new. Oh, I'm gonna have to put a spanner flange in it. See, it broke off. I can put a spanner in there, spanner flange, and hang it in there. Look at that. Oh, shit flies. Shit flies from hell, Mama. There's fucking. Instead of this side's gonna need a spanner. So I should have room to put a spanner flange in there, hopefully. If not, I gotta put a new flange. somebody's wax job here. Somebody's try to seal it to the floor job. Let's see what I can get there. I might be able to. I don't know if this is wood or. There's a couple of ways I could do this. This is wood. No, can't put no. I gotta get a spanner flange on that side. Make sure the fucking sink's not overflowing. She's a leaker. I'm gonna have to put a spanner flange on this side. I'm not sure if I can clean this out or not. I might be able to. This side's all broken too. This side's all rotted. Couple of spanner flanges. Couple of spanner flanges, I think. Got a little bug there. Got a little bug. Silverfish. Yeah, a couple of spanner flanges. Let me see if I got a couple of those in the truck. A couple of spanner flanges. That would be the way to go. I'll show you what the spanner flange looks like. For me to change this cast iron flange, I'd have to do that and get a little bit more time. This is like early morning before they show up here, so this is what they call a spanner flange. You put a bolt in there and then you bang it in on both sides. These bolts here. And, see if we can get that in there. It's nice and flat. It'll stay on there if I can get it in. I'll put one on the other side. There'll be a repair that'll work here. If I can get it. Should be able to. The rest of the flange should hold up. If it don't, we're going to be in trouble. Let's see if I can get that in there. That's what they call a spanner flange. Usually work pretty good. Very cool. Usually I only put one in. I'm seeing that this is a daycare. That's as far in as it's gonna go. I think the toilet will go. Hopefully. We'll find out. I'm gonna clean up this mess here and put the toilet back. It ain't rocket science. Overthink this shit. rocket science, Mama. I gotta get some cleaner for the truck. I don't have any fantastic or nothing like that. I should get some stuff. Try to clean this floor up the best I can. Before I put it back. Got a new set of caps. Them things aren't gonna go anywhere. I do have these little things I could put on there, and it kind of, I don't know if it's gonna matter. Don't matter. Them fucking things ain't gonna matter. I'm supposed to tighten it like tighten them up. The wax has been heated, the jumbo. I'm gonna put these on. There's a little lip on that fucker. You gotta put it up. Well, no. I might not have to cut these, I'm not sure. If I have to, I have my grinder. I gotta cut them, I have my grinder and do it. There's a leaker. It's only 6 o'clock. I got time. Plenty of time. They open at 7, I think, so I have to get done before they get here. I'll do both sides. It's got a little bevel on this thing. It's got to go right a certain way. Like that. That's the way I want. If these bolts are too long, I got my grinder. I cut them off and put the caps on. This side's up a little higher than I like it, but let's see if I can get it down there. That's why you gotta heat the wax up. That's why I heat the wax up in the hot water, so it's soft. If not, I ain't gonna wanna give it a little time and then pull it down some more. It's kind of a lot of wax to deal with, but in the meantime I'll hook up the water. Kind of let that toilet set for a bit, and then you can tighten it some more. Don't want to over tighten it and break anything. Kind of work it. Do the old funky chicken on the thing, Mama. The only problem with these bolts is those toilet bolts, they could spin a little bit because they're I'm gonna make sure she's tight. Yeah. The other toilet had moved quite a bit, to be honest with you. You gotta kind of put it in there and then wiggle it a little bit. And I'm gonna have to cut those bolts. They're gonna be too long, but we'll be alright. Tighten it. Grab the bowl, wiggle it. Oh, it settles. See, the whole toilet moved over a little bit. I'm gonna need to clean the floor, but I got it so it's nice and tight. Yeah, tighten the bolts, move the toilet, tighten them some more. Give it a little time, and that's why I use this, so I can snug it, not without breaking anything. I'm gonna flush it and see if it leaks. Shouldn't. Should be fine. I gotta cut those bolts are too long for the caps. Fucking shit show. What is this? Don't be scared of it, homie. Don't be a Girl Scout. Lights on, but nobody's home. And tighten it some more. See how it's going some more? The wax will settle in. There you go. Put these caps on. That's it. I'm done. Get out of here. Go home, have my coffee. Oh yeah, she needs a little housekeeping here, Mama. A little housekeeping. Nice and strong there. Yeah. That's a 3-shitter combo.